Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in. Hold it gently for a moment, and exhale, releasing any tension you've been carrying. Allow yourself to arrive fully in this moment. Another deep breath in, filling your lungs, expanding your chest, and slowly let it go. With each breath, feel yourself softening. Your shoulders release. Your jaw unclenches. Your mind begins to quiet. Now bring your awareness to your heart space. Place your attention there as though you are breathing directly into your heart. With every inhale, imagine drawing in peace. With every exhale, let go of any doubt, fear, or resistance. In this calm space, invite a gentle thought. Everything is always working out for me. Let the words repeat in your mind, flowing with your breath. With each inhale, receive trust. With each exhale, release worry. Picture yourself walking along a beautiful path. The sun is shining softly overhead, warm and comforting. The air is fresh, carrying a gentle breeze that guides you forward. As you take each step, notice how the path seems to open for you, unfolding with ease. Everything along this path is arranged perfectly for your journey. Repeat to yourself again, everything is always working out for me. Notice how even challenges along the way begin to transform. What once looked like obstacles now become stepping stones, lifting you higher and carrying you further. Opportunities appear before you like doors opening one after another. You don't have to push or struggle. The way forward is being made clear. Allow yourself to sink into this truth. I don't need to force. I don't need to worry. I don't need to rush. Everything is always working out for me. Imagine now a soft golden light surrounding your entire body, filling you with warmth and comfort. This light represents guidance, support, and alignment. With every breath, the light grows brighter, expanding outward and protecting you. You are safe. You are supported. You are exactly where you need to be. Take a few moments to silently repeat the affirmation, letting it settle deeply into your being. Everything is always working out for me. Feel how your body responds. Notice how your chest feels lighter. Your breath flows more freely. Your mind feels clearer. A deep sense of peace washes over you. Know that this isn't just a thought, it's a truth. Life is aligning in your favor, even when you can't yet see how. Every experience, every twist, every turn is leading you closer to where you are meant to be. Breathe that in deeply. Trust it. Rest in it. Now, begin to slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Feel the surface beneath you. Take one last deep, nourishing breath in, and exhale with a smile. Carry this truth with you as you open your eyes and return to your day. Everything is always working out for me.